That's so strange. I was fully expecting to, like, you know, rag it and then go straight on.
In this video, we're going to be looking at short slip roads. I'm joined by Emily, who has done this fabulous makeup for us today. Which is fantastic. Don't forget to check out her Instagram, which is
mbeachmua on Instagram. Oh, you literally just had Instagram, didn't you?
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. We can do that. It doesn't matter. Yeah, so check her out on Instagram. So what we're going to be looking at, we're going to be looking at short slip roads. We're going to be moving on these short slip roads, so they're not standing start slip roads. Let's get on to it, shall we?
Cool.
Yeah. So when you're ready, start your engine. And let's go. Okay, Emily, so we're going to be joining the A12 southbound.
Yeah.
It's got a nice long run up to it, but it's quite a short ending to it. Okay.
That's fine.
So you've done this a couple of times, so let's, do you want to do it yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't have to, but it's your shout, okay? Oh dear.
Oh.
Okay, so I'm going to help you a little bit because we've never had this situation, so slow right down,
Yeah.
slow right down. Because when this isn't an opportunity to overtake,
Yeah.
see the first one with the caravan,
Yeah.
that's where you're going to go, but you use the slip road. So
Yeah.
off the gas, off the brake, sorry. Second gear like you're doing, slow down, slow down, slow down. Give them a chance, indicate. Give them a chance to respond to you. That's it, there you go. Yeah? So you don't move across until they've responded to you.
Okay.
Yeah? So that's a bit of a new situation for you.
Oh, that's so strange. I was fully
Right.
expecting to, like, you know, rag it and then go straight on. I wasn't
Yeah.
expecting.
And then we had a load of slow traffic, didn't we? Which we've never had before. But the slip roads aren't an opportunity to overtake someone.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not. They're there for us to join safely and in control.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. That's it. Well done. Okay, so we're going to join the dual carriageway again. So again, we've still got that slow traffic, haven't we? I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you've got to be really mindful. You've got to pick a space. We're not going to rush up here. So here, I'm already slowing down in my mind. Yeah, we're not here to rush or race. We're here to do it safely.
Yeah.
Look at the traffic, slow down. Can you see it's coming to a stop? That's it, not too much. No, we keep moving. That's it. Nice. Slow down. So it's likely it's going to be one of these blue cars. So slow down, maybe not. Slow down a bit more. Go behind this blue car, look, indicate. Don't stop. Keep the car moving, keep the car moving, keep it moving. Get your clutch up, keep it moving. That's it. There you go. Over your shoulder as well, look. That's it, that's enough. Perfect, yeah. There you go. So I thought it was going to be between the two blue cars, but it wasn't. Yeah. But you've got to be really, like, don't roll into it. If your clutch is down, you've got no control over your car.
Yeah.
Yeah. But pick a space really early and try and work out where you're going to end up, so that the car that you're pulling in front of isn't surprised for you being there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Lovely, well done. So this is the slow moving traffic again, slip road, just because of the volume of traffic, that's why it's slow.
Yeah.
So have a look, don't forget to match yourself to the speed that the traffic's moving at. Okay. It's speed up a little bit, so you're likely to be somewhere with this Range Rover here, look. Yeah. Don't rush it. Take your time. So indicate, don't force it, slow down. Where's the Range Rover? Off the brakes. So, yeah. Second gear. So I felt a bit rushed there. Yeah, so let's do it a little bit more. I want to be here, or actually that person doesn't really want me in front of them. I'm going to slow down and go behind them because they weren't really paying attention.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see you do this one, shall we? next to you. So keep moving. That's it. Yeah, you see them flashing?
Mhm.
Yeah, there you go. Just put your hand up and say thank you. This hand. Yeah.
Oh.
That's it. There we go.
I don't know why I did that side. Like they'd be able to see that.
Okay, so we're going to finish the session just there.
Yeah.
Well done.
Thank you.
Yeah. How do you think you got on with the short slip roads?
It's a little bit more challenging when there is so much traffic on the road, because
Mhm.
obviously the other times that we've done it, it's mainly just been like fast moving traffic,
Mhm.
not just, you know, slow.
Mhm.
You have to, you know, match their slowness.
Yeah.
If that makes sense.
Yeah. So you're getting up to speed to join the dual carriageway
Yeah.
and trying to match them that way. Whereas this time, because they're going so slow, we had to slow right down at the end of the slip road to match their speed. So it's a bit foreign, isn't it? A bit foreign.
Yeah.
Cool. Lovely. Fantastic. All right then. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
Don't forget to check her out on Instagram. And I'll see you in the next video.
Perfect. Bye.
Lovely. What else do you do?
I do like bridal, proms, like glam makeup, so like full beat type, if that's what you're into.
Yeah.
Obviously, you won't know what that is, but
Nope. Not a clue.
so like special effects. So I do horror nights sometimes. So I can do like Halloween looks, obviously events. I also do like historical makeup. So
Cool.
yeah, and I also do face painting.
Yeah, so check her out on Instagram.